Hello, it's Chloe. Welcome. Find a comfortable spot. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Today we're escaping, leaving stress behind, joining me by the river. It's so peaceful here. The air is fresh. The water flows. Let's relax. Listen closely. Can you hear it? The water whispers, secrets to the rocks. The sun warms your skin. Worries melt away, like ice in the sun. This is your time to unwind, to be present. Look around. See the beauty. The trees stand tall, guardians of the river. Sunlight filters through leaves, creating a mosaic of light. Take another deep breath. Smell the fresh air. It's invigorating. Nature's perfume. The river flows steadily, a constant rhythm, soothing your mind. The sounds of nature surround you. Birds chirping, leaves rustling, all in harmony. This is where you belong, in this moment, at peace. Focus on the river. See how it sparkles? The sun dances on the water. Each ripple is unique, like a fingerprint, nature's artistry. The water flows over smooth stones, creating gentle ripples. They spread out, like calming waves, washing over you, releasing tension. Listen to the sound, a soft rhythmic gurgling. Each ripple makes a sound, a gentle whisper. It's mesmerizing, hypnotic, drawing you in. This is liquid meditation. Your thoughts slow down, matching the flow of the river. You are present, here, now. Close your eyes. Listen to the symphony of nature. The water is the conductor, leading the orchestra. Each sound blends seamlessly, creating a masterpiece. The birds contribute their melodies, chirping sweetly, a chorus of high notes. A woodpecker drums on a hollow log, adding a percussive beat. The wind joins in, rustling the leaves, like whispers in the trees. The reeds sway gently, creating a soft, whooshing sound. All these sounds, working together to create this peaceful ambiance. It's a concert for your soul. The river has been flowing for centuries. Witness to history, a timeless flow. It's a reminder that everything changes. Nothing stays the same. Watch the water flow by. Imagine your worries floating away with the current. Gone. Released. The river is a source of life. It nourishes the plants and animals. It sustains the ecosystem. It's a reminder of the interconnectedness of all things. Feel the energy of the river. It's powerful, yet calming. It invites you to let go, to surrender to the flow, to find peace within. Look at the leaves, floating on the water. They're like tiny rafts, embarking on a journey down the river. Each leaf is unique. Some leaves are bright green, full of life. Others are turning golden, touched by autumn. They twirl and spin as the current carries them along. Watch the leaves drifting downstream. Let your worries go. The water acts like a mirror, reflecting the sky above. The clouds drift by like cotton candy, melting into the blue. The trees lining the bank are also reflected. Their branches reach out like long arms, trying to touch their reflections. The leaves create ripples, distorting the reflections for a brief moment. Then the water calms, and the reflections return. Even the sun finds itself in the water, a shimmering golden orb. A reminder that even in the darkest times, there's always light. The riverbank is alive. Listen closely. Can you hear it? The soft splashes, water kissing the shore, over and over, a gentle rhythm. Each splash is unique. Some are soft, a burst of energy, but all are calming. The water whispers secrets to the rocks and the soil, ancient stories of time and flow. Can you hear them? Let the whispers soothe you. Close your eyes. Focus on the sounds. Let them wash over you. Like the river itself, erasing your worries, bringing you peace. The splashes create a rhythm, a natural beat. It's soothing, hypnotic. Your heart beats along, finding its own rhythm. The sun dips lower, painting the sky with hues of orange and pink. The water reflects the colors, a breathtaking masterpiece. The air cools. A gentle breeze whispers through the trees, carrying the scent of wildflowers, sweet and delicate. The splashes continue, unfazed by the setting sun, a constant reminder of nature's enduring beauty and its ability to calm the soul. Imagine yourself lying on the riverbank, the soft earth. Beneath your body, the gentle splashes, a liquid lullaby. The water laps at your fingers, cool and refreshing. You close your eyes, breathing deeply, releasing all tension. The sounds of the river wrap around you like a warm blanket, comforting and safe. You are home, here in this moment. The splashes become fainter as you drift off to sleep, rocked gently by the rhythm of the river, at peace at last. Listen, can you hear them? The birds are singing, a sweet melody, a chorus of voices, high and low, fast and slow. Each bird has its own song, a unique voice. Some chirp, others trill. Some sing long, elaborate tunes. Others keep it short and sweet. The songs weave together, creating a beautiful tapestry of sound. It's nature's orchestra, and the birds are the stars. Close your eyes. Let the music wash over you. Feel the stress melt away, replaced by a sense of peace, of tranquility. The birdsong is calming. It soothes the soul. It's a reminder that even in the busiest of times, There's always beauty to be found. The sun shines through the leaves, creating a dappled effect on the forest floor. The air is fresh and clean. The world feels new. Take a deep breath and exhale slowly. Let the birdsong fill your ears. Let it calm your mind. Let it bring you peace. This is a moment to be cherished. A moment of pure tranquility. A moment of connection with nature, with yourself. Feel the breeze. It's so gentle, like a caress on your skin. It rustles the leaves, creating a soft whisper, a secret message. Look at the grass, swaying in the wind, each blade moving independently, yet together. They create a wave of green and gold. The reeds by the river bow their heads in respect to the wind. Their whispers are deeper, more resonant. Close your eyes, listen to the whispers. Let them lull you into a state of relaxation, of peace. The rustling of grass and reeds is a reminder that nature is alive. It breathes, it moves, it speaks. The wind carries the scent of freshly cut grass and wildflowers. It's intoxicating, a natural perfume. Feel the wind on your face, in your hair. It's invigorating, refreshing. It's nature's way of saying hello. Imagine yourself surrounded by a field of tall grass, swaying in the breeze. You are safe. You are home. Follow the river upstream, the sound of rushing water. It's getting louder, more powerful, drawing you closer. There it is, a mini waterfall, cascading over rocks, a natural staircase, water tumbling over each step, creating a mesmerizing display. The water plunges down with such force, yet such grace. It's a dance, a celebration of nature's power. Take a moment to admire its beauty. The way the water catches the light, sparkling like diamonds. It's breathtaking. The waterfall is a flurry of activity. Water droplets flying through the air, creating a fine mist that kisses your skin. Listen to the sound, the roar of the water as it crashes against the rocks. It's both powerful and soothing. The water flows over the rocks, shaping them, molding them over time, creating smooth curves and deep crevices. Each cascade is unique. Some are wide, others are narrow. Some are gentle, others are forceful, but all are beautiful. Section 3. A symphony of senses. The mini waterfall engages all your senses. The sight of the cascading water, the sound of its roar, the smell of the fresh, misty air. Feel the mist on your face, cool and refreshing. Take a deep breath. Inhale the fresh air. Exhale slowly, releasing all tension. You are here, in this moment, at peace. Section 1. River's Embrace. Dip your toes into the cool water. Feel the temperature change, a welcome contrast to the warmth of the sun. The water envelops your feet like a gentle hug, a soothing embrace. It washes away stress and worry, leaving you feeling refreshed. Wiggle your toes. Feel the smooth stones beneath your feet. They've been polished by the river's flow for centuries. The water is clear. You can see to the bottom. Tiny fish dart between the rocks, their scales catching the sunlight. Section 2. Liquid crystal. Cup your hands and scoop up some water. Feel its coolness on your skin. It's invigorating, rejuvenating. Bring the water to your face. Splash it gently on your forehead and cheeks. It's like a baptism, a cleansing ritual. The water feels alive, charged with energy. The energy of the river, the energy of the earth, the energy of life itself. Hold this feeling, this sense of peace, of tranquility. Let it stay with you long after you've left the riverbank. The river is a place of peace, but, it's not completely silent. There are other sounds, faint whispers, carried on the breeze. Listen closely. Can you hear it? The distant rumble of a train passing by. It's a reminder of the world beyond. The train fades into the distance, leaving behind a sense of peace and solitude. You are alone with nature. But even in solitude, you are connected to the world, to the rhythm of life. Section 2. Nature's harmony. The sounds of nature blend together, creating a symphony of peace and tranquility. The gentle lapping of water against the shore, the rustling of leaves in the trees, the chirping of crickets in the grass. All these sounds come together in perfect harmony, a reminder that everything is connected. Close your eyes and listen. Let the sounds of nature wash over you, bringing you peace and tranquility. The sun begins its slow descent, casting a warm glow on the river. The water shimmers like 1,000 tiny diamonds, reflecting the light. Take a deep breath. Inhale the fresh air. Exhale slowly. Let go of any remaining tension. You are relaxed, at peace. The river flows on, a timeless rhythm, a constant presence. It's a reminder that even when everything else changes, nature remains. Keep this feeling with you, this sense of tranquility, of connection. Let it stay with you long after you've left the riverbank. The river has much to teach us about life, about ourselves, about the importance of slowing down. The river flows around obstacles. It adapts. It changes. It never stops moving forward. A lesson we can all learn from. Listen to the river's wisdom. Let it guide you. Let it teach you. Let it help you find your own peace. Close your eyes. Take one last deep breath and carry the river's peace with you wherever you go. It's time to say goodbye to this peaceful place, but the memories will stay with you. Remember the sound of the water flowing, the feel of the breeze, the warmth of the sun, the peace of nature. Take these memories and let them sustain you until your next visit to the riverbank. Until then, find moments of peace in your everyday life. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and remember the tranquility of the river.